you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone who wants to look and feel their best, having the perfect grooming kit can really help with that. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of self-grooming on my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing the ingredients to the ultimate grooming kit that every woman needs. These are some essential items that I use every day and love carrying with me whenever I travel. So sit back, relax, take some notes, and let's dive right in. The first item in your grooming kit is a razor. Now, not necessary that you need to shave your entire body. You may be doing only specific parts, but it's an essential for achieving that smooth skin, and it's great and comes super handy when you're traveling and there is an emergency and you don't have access to waxing or any other sort of hair removal. This also comes in tiny versions, the single blade razor, which is great for bikini lines, and I highly recommend it to you guys. I don't have it with me right now, but I'm going to link it down below for you guys and also show you on the screen. The regular razor I love using is the Gillette Venus one. It's been my go-to forever. Highly recommend it. Your lips need some TLC too, which is why you need to keep them soft and nourished and moisturized with a lip balm at all times. In fact, you need one that has SPF. Your lips can get sunburnt, and I had no idea until it actually happened to me. And trust me, it does not feel comfortable, neither does it look good to see chapped lips. So make sure you get a lip balm that either has beeswax, shea butter, or coconut oil that keeps your lips soft and nourished. Who likes dry elbows? No one, right? Which is why you need to add a body lotion into your grooming kit right now if you haven't already. Dry skin doesn't look good, neither does it feel comfortable. It makes you feel icky, and this is your solution right here. I love trying out new body lotions, to be honest. If you've seen a lot of my videos, you would know I keep trying new ones. But recently I landed up on the regular Vaseline body lotion, and I was looking for a travel size under 100 ml. Couldn't find anything except this, and this works wonders. It smells good, even though like it's always available over the counter everywhere, in any pharmacy even. I've never ended up trying it. I finally did, and it smells good. It's super cheap and I absolutely love it. Next item is the moisturizer. Now there's a misconception that if you have oily skin, you don't need to apply moisturizer, and that's an absolute myth and a wrong fact. You need this for hydration, to keep your skin soft, smooth, and supple. Again, you've got to figure out what your skin type is. For this, again, I would recommend consult a dermat or dermatologist and let her or him recommend a good moisturizer for you. Try and look out for ingredients that have hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or glycerine, which keep your skin smooth and soft. No grooming kit can be complete without a body fragrance. You've got to be smelling good throughout the day, 24/7. You've got to stay odor free, and having something like this, that is super handy. This is a Zara body roll-on, but you get a lot of deodorants that are portable. Definitely get one and put it in your handbag and your grooming kit right away. Also, before I move on to the next item, if you found this video helpful till now, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also share this video. The next item is a very basic but a very important one, because cleaning your face can help remove the dirt, oil, and makeup that can clog pores and cause breakouts. Now this is obviously a face cleanser that I'm talking about. You need to find one that's gentle and suited for your skin. Your skin type could be dry, oily, or combination, so I would recommend consulting a dermatologist to understand your skin and let her or him recommend a face wash that suits best for you. Let's talk about nails now. In fact, I've spoken about how minuscule yet how important they are in this video right here. So in case you haven't watched the self-grooming episode, please go ahead and do that. Trust me, it's going to be super helpful. Anyway, talking about nails, it's super important to keep a nail paint remover with you at all times. Keep a neutral colored nail paint as well, because you never really know when you want to apply nail paint, and like I said, it's very important to have nice groomed nails at all times. And a nail clipper, just in case you break a nail or you sort of chip it. This is super handy as well. So these three things are very important for your nails and should be in your grooming kit. Next important item that needs to be in your grooming kit is a makeup remover and some cotton pads. Now I don't need a better reason to tell you why you need this, apart from the fact that you cannot go to bed with makeup on. You've got to remove it. If you have a sensitive skin, I would recommend using something like a micellar water and avoid oil-based makeup removers. I love using the Bioderma one. It's been my go-to forever. So give this a try if you haven't yet. Otherwise, I will also leave some other options for you guys in the description box. The cotton pads that I love are from Miniso, super affordable, and they come in this huge package, so it's super economical as well. Next item is a no-brainer, and that's a sunscreen. I use the instant fusion water, but I keep changing it up every now and then. You just gotta make sure that the SPF is high, at least 50, and no matter what season it is, even if it's cloudy outside, you've got to apply sunscreen. And if you can reapply it every 3 hours, that would be great. Even if you're just sitting indoors but you have a lot of screen time, be it laptop, mobile, TV, you need a sunscreen because the rays still come out of the screen and can impact your skin. Also, you're never going to see immediate impact of harmful rays on your skin. It's only going to show over time, and trust me, this is one thing that you don't want to regret later in age, that I wish I'd applied sunscreen. And the last thing in your grooming kit should be some basic makeup products to give you that natural everyday look. It could include a concealer, a blush, a mascara, and just maybe a nude lipstick. I've spoken about this in detail in this video right here, so make sure to watch it. And these are pretty much all the things that should be in the ultimate grooming kit. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you can take away some tips to create your own ultimate grooming kit. Do remember that personal grooming and self-grooming doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. All you need are the right tools, the right guidance, for which you have my videos, and a little bit of effort. This brings us to the end. I'm going to see you in my next video, but make sure to hit that subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram. I do post a lot of fun content, fashion and styling related stuff as well. So do check that out, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.